Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechSavvy tutorial, the TechSavvy tutorials. So we will also discuss about in this topic donate your car for kids. Donate your car to help idea of kids. Your car, pickup, bus, ATV or other motor vehicles may be worth for more than you know. For idea for IDHO's most vulnerable kids, the donations of your car can get them the counseling and therefore the need to find hope, healings and resilience. You can make all the difference in the world to IDHO's kids through your generous donations. You call donations or text dedicatables. Gift cans literally be life changing. You cause where you can make all the difference to how children for families how needs counselings or our others survives from audios coined control your generous donations your car donations are tax deductibles. Gift coins literally be life changing. Your cause well you can make all the difference to add how children or families who need counseling or other survives from at home youth ranch your kids money literally be the key to their future. At how youth ranch makes it easy. Idaho's youth Orange makes it easy for you to donate your car vehicles with our local teams ready to assist you. We take the mystery and inconvenience out of donating in vehicles. Idaho Youth Ranch has been accepting vehicles donations to help support you our youth problems for many years, and we have the experience you need to make it simple and easy process. At Health Youth Ranch maximize your tax saving. Donating to Idaho Youth Ranch will maximize the impact of your donations foremost because we will sell your donated cars, trucks, SUV or motorcycles in our used for a lot of donations. Kids in Idaho will receive the benefit of the full retails price of your gift, not a discount auction price. When we sell the car you donate, more of the values goes to help kids. When another non-profit sales cars at auctions to other used cars and levers only the auctions price menus commissions goes to helping with the organization mission. For donors it matters how you donate to and how they sell your visuals. As a donor, it is important to note that current IRS rules means that if your cause value is greater than $500, your tax education depends on the amount it is sold for. By selling most cars at retail's used car price, we maximize the proceeds and the IRS tax education for you and maximize the impact you are having the idea most vulnerable kids